Hello everyone and welcome to How to Professional. In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer money from Wise to PayPal. To begin, if you open your Wise application, whether via your browser or mobile app, the process remains consistent across both platforms. It's worth noting that within Wise, you have the capability to send money to other Wise accounts, various bank accounts including your own. Unfortunately, there isn't an option to directly transfer funds to a PayPal account. There's no straightforward way to send funds from Wise to PayPal. However, a workaround exists. You can initiate the transfer from Wise to your local bank account. For example, access your Wise account and send the desired amount to your local bank account, as it's typically linked to Wise. Once this bank transaction is complete, proceed to your PayPal account. Within PayPal, access your PayPal balance and add money equal to the sum you previously transferred. You can carry out this transfer from your bank account. This method facilitates the transfer of funds from Wise to PayPal via your local bank. Presently, this workaround is the recommended solution as there's no direct transfer method available. We hope you found this video helpful and look forward to your continued support. Thank you.